Okay, in this video, we will try to discuss how we can generate Lissajous figure using CRO. So, as we know, CRO has two channels, channel 1 and channel 2. This CRO has an inbuilt function generator which can generate a 1 kilohertz signal. Okay, so I directly connected this to one of my channel. This is connected to the channel 1, and the second channel 2 is directly connected to an external function generator where I set my function generator frequencies as 1 kilohertz. Then if I look at my output, this is my Lissajous figure. To getting this here, so we have two options to see our CRO. So here is a menu button is there. So if you put menu button, these options will come. So you can actually uh, come back to the options. So there's an option called XY mode curve. Okay, you can select your XY code using this OK button. Then you can go. We can either switch on or switch off your this one. Okay, for that I can switch off my here. So then if I try to run my or if I my auto button, these are the two signals. So one of the signal from the CRO is stationary, the other is running. Okay, then if I try to on my XY mode, so in XY mode we will see the Lissajous figure. Okay, so I can on this one. So by pressing here I can put it to on. Okay, then I just press my run button here, auto, so we get the Lissajous figure. So what I will do is I just change my frequencies using this knob to different frequencies. We can see what is the changes happens to this figure. So I will go for a lower frequencies. Okay, now I decreasing to 997, then I decreases to 993, then we get a different frequency now. So if I change continuously decreasing my signals, so we will get a different type of figures as Lissajous figures. Okay, so we can decrease my frequencies. So in 699, so we're getting a frequency. Okay, so if I change my different frequencies to very lower values, we can generate different type of curves like this. Okay, so actually this is depends on your the properties of the two signals, frequencies and the phase difference. It will create different type of Lissajous figures like this. Okay.